Most smoke detectors work on a principle called ionization. A current of ions flows between two metal plates. When smoke particles enter the chamber, the flow is interrupted, and the alarm is triggered. By now you might be thinking that you're okay because when you burn toast in your kitchen, what happens? The smoke detector goes off. And that must mean that everything's fine and that you're safe. Well, think again. Toast and kitchen smoke generally produce lots of small particles, just the right combination to block the flow of ions. But smoke particles from, say, a fire on your average couch are large and few in number, and they often don't interrupt the flow, and so the alarm doesn't sound.